good. Okay guys, we are back. Asha's just gone to the ATM, but we're back here at Restaurant Al Azad, which is the one that's just next to our place. So our place is just kind of next door-ish. But yeah, basically come here all the time. So we thought we'd come here for our last dinner. Like I said, Asha is coming. When we get something, look at the menu, it's amazing. Like everything, double-sided as well. Double-sided. Everything you could ever want. Plus more, there's other stuff over there. Once Asha gets here, then I'll work out something. Yes. Oh, for now then, I've got the Horlicks. Gotta have the Horlicks. Yes. So good. So creamy. Very good. I don't know what it all is, but I bet it's good. I know that this is biryani. So this is biryani. I know that this is chicken. I know that's an egg. But that looks like a lot of sambal on top of the egg. And then these are like kind of savory donuts. I've actually had all of these apart from the egg before. This I actually had first day. It's just like being the first day again. Oh no.
Tired.
Baby watching Batman crying. Yeah, it's Batman. And there's Asha. What's Asha got? Asha's got good things. Pancakes? No. That's a donut. Her little balls.
Salad.
Yeah. Cabbage. Biryani. Oh wow. Satay. And yeah, she got satay there as well. Chicken satay?
Yes, chicken satay.
Chicken satay. Okay. Wow.
Something that I was really craving since a long time.
Oh, very good. And I actually used there was like a sauce there that they had, like a really sweet sauce that I used to put over the chicken to make it a bit sweeter. Otherwise, this tends to get a bit dry.
Ah, the red chicken.
Yeah, the red chicken, but with the sauce, so it doesn't dry out. It's really good. This is the place. And yeah, these guys here are really nice. Like we've literally been coming here probably once a day. I'd come here for either lunch or dinner. And yeah, it's really nice place to come. Cheap, affordable, a bit of shouting sometimes, but that's okay.
Hardworking people.
Yeah, they're all hardworking. This place is open 24/7. 24/7. So you know, they do like 2 shifts, 12-hour shifts. Pretty epic. So yeah, in these donuts there is, I think it's caraway seeds, so it has this caraway seed taste. What else can I tell you? That there is pretty much all chili, so be careful. And then this is kind of a tandoori here, and this is an egg and a salty egg. Oh, really good. Mine's really good. Put it in the sambar, put it in the sweet sauce.
Really good satay sauce.
Oh yeah? How's your chicken?
It's good, just need to be careful because one little piece wasn't cooked that much. But I think it's just, it may happen, just need to double check, you know?
Yeah, I guess. Cool, well my chicken is probably definitely cooked. So I'm going to tuck into that. Oh gosh. Everybody's getting serious over there somewhere. But yeah, okay. Gonna eat. Hello guys, okay, so we're finished. It's all good, it's all done. Yum, yum, yum. But look, you can have all this stuff. Look, they got satay over there, they got rojak there, they got serve yourself over there, they got other stuff, more donuts and things, all this on here. They've got
really good pineapple juice that I like. Yes, I really like this place. people are really nice. They're hardworking. They're always happy to see us. So it's hard to leave. It's our friends in Kuala Lumpur. So thank you again. Hope you can watch our channel and just see how much we appreciate your work. So thank you for keeping us alive.
Oh, someone's getting sentimental, I think. We're leaving tomorrow. But yeah, we literally like that. I always, well, not always, but you generally get a Horlicks and or a lassi. They actually make the lassi themselves. So they have like pots, big pots of like cooked yogurt, I guess. And then also you can have like rotis and tosai, which is kind of like a chapati. And it comes in, you know, I've shown you I think before. It comes in like with a metal tray and like the dipping sauces with like dal and various stuff. Yeah, literally really good cooking. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. We're gonna head off. I think, well, I'll tell you how much it costs when we leave in total. But yeah.
Take a picture with the guys. We'll take a picture with the guys.
Yeah, we might, yeah. Okay guys, so that's it. It's all gone. We did some selfies with them. Maybe I'll post that up on with the video, maybe even.
Yeah,
put it in. Because yeah, the guys were really nice. That all totally cost 34 ringgit.
For both of us.
For both of us. For like, you had satay, wow, 2 plates of food. I got a water and a Horlicks and she got a drink. So you know, loads of stuff.
Yeah, very
Loads of
affordable.
stuff. Very affordable. Definitely, you see this, and then you see this, and then you go down there where the flags are. Basically. But yeah, really nice.
Restaurant Al-Azad.
Al-Azad. And yes, so that's us for tonight. That's it. It's been a long day. Well, kind of. It was started late, but it's been long. So look, we've been up there. We've been up there. We've been around. Been to shopping things and done stuff. So now we have to go home. Maybe do some packing.
No.
Maybe not.
No, sorry, we watch a movie. No packing today.
It's Friday. It's Friday night. We're going to relax. And then we'll pack tomorrow. We're not leaving till like... Yeah, I said that already. We're up there. Up there.
Before, I didn't think there were people inside.
There's always people inside. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Want you to subscribe, like, comments, cheers. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Until then, keep on drifting.
And eat well.
Keep on drifting. Keep on drifting.